Vande Mataram students. Today we are going to start exercise number 1.3 and we have to find the decimal expression of given sums and write in decimal form. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expression is S. हमें क्या करना है, उसका डेसिमल फॉर्म भी लिखना है और वो किस तरह का है वो भी करना है। एक बात पता है आपको कि द ग्रीक जीनियस आर्किमिडीज वाज द फर्स्ट टू कंप्यूट डिजिट इन द डेसिमल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ पाई। पाई के जो एक्सप्रेशन डेसिमल एक्सप्रेशन थे वो आर्किमिडीज ने बताए थे। He showed 3.140,845 greater than pi and greater than 3.14225.7. Aryabhatta, the great Indian mathematician and astrographer, found the value of pi correct to 4 decimal and placed 3.1416. You know that. And now in this time pi has been computed to over 1.24 trillion decimal places. You know that. And now we are going to start our first sum by division method. First 36. Here 36 is divided by 100. 36 is divided by 100. So you have to divide it. You have to divide it. How can you divide? So you have divide, and without division you can also write the decimal point. In standard 6 you learn it. You can also write the 0 and put here point. So 0 point. So what happened? 100 3s are 360. 100 3s are 300. So what happened? 0 6 0 and once again put 0 here. So 100 6 are 600. So our decimal form is here and we 0.36. 0.36 is our answer. And here also remainder is 0. In earlier classes we have learned there is two possibilities. What is remainders can be 0 or never can be 0. Two possible. But here in first sum we can see here the remainder is 0 and no digit should be repeat. No digit are repeating here. So we can call it is terminating. So we can call it is terminating. It is terminating. Here say what kind of decimal expression? We can say it is terminating. It is terminating because digits are question digits are not repeating and remainder is 0 here. Second one is here 1 upon 11. So 1 and it is divided by 11. So what you have to do? You have to do here put 0. But here now 10 is less than division. 11 से 10 क्या है? छोटा है. इसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इधर एक पॉइंट तो रख दिया हमने पहले, लेकिन और 0 लगाते हैं तो इधर भी एक 0 लगाना पड़ता है. सो वो क्या हो गया? 0.0. नाउ यू कैन डिवाइड 100 by 11. So 11 9s are 90. So when we subtract we get here only 1. So what happened? Once again you have to put here 0, but cannot be divided, so put here 0. And so 1 and once again 11 9s are 99. So what happened? You can see here 09 should be repeated and remainder also 1 1 1. It is also repeated here. So our answer is in decimal form here 0.09 and it will be repeated. So we can put here cap on both digits 0 and 9. What kind of decimal expression? You know that? Yes, it is repeating digit, remainder also repeating. So we can say here non-terminating repeating or recurring. So we can write here non-terminating and we can say here it is repeated. So repeating, not terminating, repeating. Not terminating, repeating. Once again we have third sum. It is a one kind of fraction or integer like 4 and 1 upon 8. So first you have to convert in improper fraction. So 8 fours are 32 and add 1, so 33. So we get here 33 by 8. So we have to divide 33. We have to divide here 33 by 8. We are going to divide here 33 divided by 8. So what happened? 8 fours are 32. So minus we get here 1 and 0. Once again, now we cannot divide, so you have to put here point and take here 0. What happened? 8 ones are 8. Minus them. Once again put here 0. And 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. So 4 we get here. And once again 0. So what happened? 8 fives are 40. And here we get remainder 0. And answer also here 4.125. So our answer is here 4.125. So as in first sum we get like that. So it is terminating. So we can say here in the third sum it is what form of decimal expression? It is terminating. It is terminating. You know that. Now fourth one. Fourth one you have to divide. 3 is divided by 13. So in second sum we are going to like that. So what happened? So 13 is divided by 3. So 30. So here 0 and put here a point. So what happened? 13 twos are 26. Now subtract them. Like that, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 0. So 4 once again put here 0. So 13 threes are, yes, 13 threes are 39. 39. So once again we get here 0 and 0. But what happened? 10 is less than 13. So we have to take more 0 here and put here 0. So now you can divide by 13. 13 sevens are, yes, 13 sevens are 91. When you subtract them, you get here 9, and once again put here 0. Now with the help of 13s, 13 6 are, yes, 13 6 are 78. So what happened? Here you subtract, you can get here 12, and once again you have to put here 0. So what happened? Now 13 10s are 130, so you have to take 9. So 13 9s are 100 13 9s are 9 is 27. So 117. So 0 and minus is 3. तो once again 3 आ गया, यहाँ पहले 3 था तो पहले 3 आ गया. उसका मतलब क्या होगा कि यहाँ से सारे डिजिट क्या होंगे? रिपीट होंगे. और ये रिमाइंडर 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? 4 आएगा, फिर 1 होगा, फिर ऐसे सारे 2 3 0 7 6 9 फिर से क्या होने वाले हैं? रिपीट होने वाले हैं. इसलिए हम आंसर पे लिख सकते हैं 0 2 3 0 7 6 9, and all digits are repeating one by one. So our decimal expression is like that, and we can say that non-terminating repeating. It is non-terminating, and also repeating. What is? It is also repeating. Now example number 5. 2 by 11. So you have to divide 2 by 11. So what happened? Here 2 is given, so you take 0 here. So what happened? First you have to take 0 point and after that you have to divide. So what? 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. So take now minus. So what happened? 9. 0. So 10 and 1. So 9 and 0. So 11 8s are 88. So your answer is 2 here and put once again 0. So what happened once again? 11 ones are 11 and 9. So 11 8s are. So you can see here. You can see here. So what happened? 2 is the remainder is repeating and answer also is repeating. So our answer you can write here 0.18 and it is repeating. So we can call here a remainder also repeating here. So non-terminating repeating. So we have to decimal extra what kind of the non-terminating and also repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Now last one is first question. 329 is divided by 400. So just divide it. आप इसको दो तीन तरीके से डिवाइड कर सकते हो. इस तरीके से करो, दूसरी तरीके से 4 से इसको डिवाइड कर दो तो 100 आ जाता है, फिर 2 पॉइंट काट लो तो भी आंसर आ जाता है. लेकिन हम डिवीजन मेथड से कर रहे थे, ये भी कर रहे थे. इधर छोटा है तो इधर 0 लगाओ, 0 लगाओ तो इधर पॉइंट लगा दो. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट 408 4 8s are 32 and put 2 0. Now minus them. So 90 you get here. So what happened? Once again you put here 0. So 400, 4 2s are 8 and 2 0 once again. So 100. Now what happened? Once again you have put 0 1000. So 4 2s are 800. Now 200 and once again you have to put 0. So 4 5s are 20. Now your remainder is here 0. So your answer is here terminating. So your answer is here terminating. So we can write the decimal form like that 8225 and it should be not repeating. So your answer is here 0.8225 and it is terminating. It is terminating. So your first question is over. Now example number 2. You know that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 and non-terminating repeating. Can you predict what the decimal expression of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are without doing long division? आप ये जानते हो कि 1 upon 7 की वैल्यू हमें क्वेश्चन में दी गई है. आपको करना क्या है? 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 क्या वैल्यू फाइंड करना है और वो भी विदाउट लॉन्ग डिवीजन. आप डिवीजन करके भी फाइंड कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? विदाउट लॉन्ग डिवीजन. हाउ वी कैन डू इट? बिकॉज हियर 2 by 7 वी नो दैट 2 that means 2 multiply 1 by 7, that is 2 ones are 2 and 7 ones are 7, so it is equal to 2 by 7. So you know that what you are going to do? 2 and you know the value of 1 upon 7, you just put here and multiply it. So 14285 and just multiply with the 2. दोस्तों सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 2 multiply value of 1 upon 7. So you can multiply it. 7 in rough form also you do it and continue sum. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 1 is a k. So 5 2s are 10 and 1 plus. So 11. Once again 1 k. So 8 2s are 16 plus 1. So you get here 17. So 7 and 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Once again 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 and put here point and 0. So 2857 1 4 and it should be repeating. It is repeating. So you have put the gap. So your answer is 2 by 7 is equal to 0.285714 non-terminating repeating. Clear? Okay. Like that. You are multiply 1 upon 7. Like that 4 we have to multiply 1 upon 7, and 5 also multiply 1 upon 7, and 6 also multiply 1 upon 7. So don't worry, only you have to do multiplication with 3. So 0.142857 and multiply it. Once again 4. So 4 multiply with 0.142857 and right answer. Once again 5 is multiplied with 0.142857 and multiply it and right answer. Like that 6 also you have to multiply 142,857. So all 1 is also repeating. So cap should be clear 1 like that. So you are getting answer by multiplying them. When you multiply 3 by 7 by 3, you get 428,571. 428,571 and it should be repeated. So you have to create cap. When you multiply 4 by 1 by 7, you get answer 0.571, 428. Just multiply and check it. And now, when we are going to multiply with 5, 1 upon 7, we get 714285. 714285 and it is also repeated. So your answer is 0.71428. And at the last, when we multiply 6 by 1 by 7, so our answer is 857142. 857142. Just multiply and check it. So our first sum is here clear. When like this, when expression is going to, you have to write without division. You can make this part, and when given what kind of values, you have to put just the place of it and multiply or division, and you can get answer easily. And now in the next lecture we are going to learn example number 3 to 9 of 1.3. Okay.